So, as you might have guessed at the end of that video, or by the title, this is technically a cooking fail, mainly because I forgot how to properly melt chocolate, so it got burnt. Yeah, so that being said, the recipe still works, it's still good. I would just recommend that after you cook the cookies in the oven, you set them aside to cool for maybe about 20 minutes in your freezer or 30 minutes in your fridge. And then once they're done cooling, you melt the chocolate and add the peppermint crushed. You add the crushed peppermints to it. Overall, yeah, I did this in terms of like themes for the Youtooz GingerBrave vinyl collection. For Youtooz, go check them out. Link should be in description below. I don't know if these ones are still available. If not, then as soon as I'm done with the other 4, I will sell these guys on eBay. But you'll be the first to know when that happens. But besides that, thank you for watching. Hope you guys had a great day and an enjoyable time watching this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.